Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to reset a cPanel password. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in this website where I found a guide that perfectly explained how to reset a cPanel account password. cPanel and WHM allows you to reset your cPanel account password. The password reset process sends a security code to the contact email address in cPanel's contact information interface. Go to cPanel, then go to Home, then Preferences, and lastly, Contact Informations. To use this feature, you must enable the Reset Password for cPanel accounts option in the System section of WHM's Tweak Settings interface. Go to WHM, Home, Server Configuration, Tweak Settings. If you can't access to the WHM interface, contact your hosting provider for assistance. To use this feature, you must set the contact email address in cPanel Contact Information Interface, cPanel, Home, Preferences, and Contact Information. If you cannot remember your password and did set your contact email address, contact your hosting provider for assistance. If you don't specify a contact email address, the system displays a fake email address when you attempt to reset your password. This helps protect users' credentials on your account. This email address appears as a hint in the contact email address text box on the cPanel login interface. If you wish to reset your password and did not set your contact email address, contact your hosting provider for assistance. Reset your cPanel account password. The first step is navigate to the following location in your browser, where example.com represents your domain name. As you can see guys right here in the example, click reset password, then enter your cPanel username in the username text box and click reset password. Enter your contact email address in the contact email address text box and click Send Security Code. In the security code text box, enter the security code that you received and click Submit. Enter your password in the new password text box, confirm your password and click Set Password. To log into your account, click Log In. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.